Like, hey guys, we're here at Money 2020. I'm at the Ballet Wallet booth with the man himself, Bobby Lee. It's so great to finally catch up with you. How you doing, Bobby?
I'm good, thank you. Excited to be here.
Awesome. So I see a couple of things at the booth this year that maybe people haven't seen ever before. Tell us a little bit about what's going on at the Ballet booth this year.
So first of all, I'm giving out signed copies of my book. It's Promise of Bitcoin. It was released last year, published last year, and it's a Wall Street Journal national bestseller. So it's very exciting, and it's called The Promise of Bitcoin, the Future of Money and How It Can Work for You. So I'll tell people, since this is the Money 2020 conference, you know, we're really talking about investments, assets, and I think Bitcoin is the greatest investment of our generation, of our lifetime.
Okay, phenomenal. Sounds like that in a nutshell is the promise of Bitcoin.
It is. It is. Bitcoin as a monetary good. So not necessarily just as a form of payment, but also as a monetary good, as a store of value, as something when you earn money, you want the money to be valuable. You could buy things and pay for services, and Bitcoin is that ultimate long-term way to hold your money and to hold your investments.
Phenomenal. Okay, so the ideal person to pick up this book, what is your highest hope for them when they pick up this book? What should they walk away from it understanding after they read it?
So this book is really written for a general audience. So this is not a technical book. It does not go into any of the high-tech details. So it's really for the everybody audience. And so for casual investors, for newcomers to the Bitcoin and crypto industry, learn about Bitcoin and what the philosophy behind Bitcoin and the monetary good aspect of it.
Awesome. Okay, and how long did it take you to go through ideation and just decide, like, you know what, this is something that the world needs right now at the Money 2020 conference? What did that process look like for you?
You mean in terms of writing the book?
Yes.
So it took a few years. I've been in crypto and Bitcoin for 11 years, since 2011. And for about 4 or 5 years, I've been thinking and contemplating on writing a book. And finally, after I sold my last company, BTC China, I had some time to start the book project. And then, of course, it took longer. You know, writing a book with 12, 13 chapters really time-consuming. So finally, through the pandemic, I had time to finish it up, and it was published late last year.
Phenomenal. So it sounds like we're going to hear your voice for real in this. It's not.
Yeah. So definitely, it's available in hard copy. It's available on the Kindle for ebook version, and also it's available in audiobook format. So I actually had the pleasure and the privilege to narrate the book myself. So if you buy the audiobook version, it's me speaking the book. It took me like a little bit over a week to read through the book for the recording.
That's awesome. Well, I got a signed copy from you here at the show, and I really appreciate that. Looking forward to reading it. Can I ask you, as far as the Money 2020 conference, what is your highest hope for Ballet Wallet and for attendees here with Ballet Wallet and your offering there?
So Ballet is my new startup. It's my second startup. I'm a serial entrepreneur. We launched this product 3 years ago in Las Vegas in fall of 2019. And now it's been 3 years, so we're very happy. In the past 3 years, we've had this wallet product. It's a cold storage wallet for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The single wallet supports multiple currencies. It supports over 200 different cryptocurrencies, stablecoin tokens, and NFTs. You can store them all on the same wallet, physical wallet. It turns a digital bearer asset into a physical bearer asset. So there's no passwords, very easy to use. Most importantly, there's no setup process. You buy it, it's ready to use, no cumbersome setup. It's non-electronic, nothing to program, no passwords, nothing to remember, memorize, and there's no firmware upgrades, so it's super easy. And the best of all, it's self-custody. It means that when you store your coins on here, you have true control of your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So you're not relying on a custodial service, you're not relying on an exchange, everything's in your own hands, no one can take it away from you, no hacking. I'm proud to say we're probably one of the only wallet makers out there. For the last 3 years, no one has ever lost their crypto from putting money on the Ballet Wallet. It's very safe.
That's a phenomenal track record right there. Well, I really appreciate your time. Is there anything else that you want to leave with the MineYourBiz audience, my YouTube audience, that they should know about your book, about the Ballet Wallet, or about Bitcoin in general?
Yeah, so right now we're in late 2022. People call it the bear market. It's kind of like the bear market, but the reality is even worse than the crypto bear market is the global economy. Right, we have the global stock market turmoil. I think we're going to see more bad news coming out from that. We have the currency changes in the recent months with the U.S. dollar appreciating, a lot of other foreign currencies depreciating. It's wreaking havoc with it rising interest rates from inflation. So I think the global economy with the depegging, with the the globalization going in reverse and all that, I think we're going to see a rough at least half a year, 1 year, if not a few years. So Bitcoin, you know, even though it's been trading at $19,000-$20,000, I think it's quite stable. It's quite the hard asset to hold on to. So keep your faith in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin specifically, I guess, and don't panic sell, I guess. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, guys, you heard it right here from the man himself. If you ever wanted to find somebody with diamond hands, iron, steel hands in the Bitcoin space, I don't think you get a better example than with Bobby. Bobby, thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah. Very good.